Students, welcome to Ektat Science Education class. Right way, right learning is the motto of my class. Today we are going to learn about my family and me. Students, you know that we all are social animal. Human beings are social animal. We live in a family. We live in society. In our family, the members like mother, father, grandparents, parents, they are included. They are said to be the family members. Students, today we are going to learn more about family and types of family and what are the different values we are learning in our family. So before we start the topic, do not forget to subscribe, like and share this channel to more and more people so that we can share the knowledge and exchange the knowledge to more and more people. Okay students, also press the bell icon so that you will get the latest updates of all the videos coming in this channel. Okay students, so this is all about we are going to start today, that is family and me. The different types of family we are going to learn. In our family, generally we include our grandparents, parents, sister, that are siblings. Okay, so these are the different different types of the people. They are living in our family. Not only the people, there are some pet animals also. We are having at our home pet animals like cat, dog, birds, okay, fishes. These are the pet animals that we are keeping in our family, in our home. It is also considered as a family member. The pet animal is also considered as a family member. If we consider there are some very elderly person, that are the grandfather and grandmother. After that, the person like you, if you are considering your parents, father and mother, and your siblings, that is you, your elder and younger sister, then you include in your family member the uncle and auntie, and then their childrens, that are your cousins. If you are having one uncle, if you are having two uncle, okay, so this is all about the family. These are the generally in Indian culture we are having jointed family. We are having, or more of the maximum people in India, they are living as a joint family. This is the value, this is the ethic, that is a culture in our Indian society. Now if we consider, there are the different types of the family or kinds of families we are going to learn. The first family we are going to learn is a nuclear family, where parents and children living together. Then single parent family. Then extended or joint family. Okay student, let's start for the first family, that is a nuclear family. The family in which only parents and children live together is called as nuclear family. The family in which only parents and children live together is called a nuclear family. Because of jobs, because of different reasons, the children they live separately. Because of the job or any other conditions, we can consider the parents are separated from their children, and they form a nuclear type of a family where parents, both of them, they are working and the children take care of their own, or they are having the maids to look after their children. So this is the scenario of the nuclear family. Okay, so more about it. A family in which only parents and the children live together is called as a nuclear family. The next, you can see many of you can identify which type of your family you are living in, whether you are having grandparents with you, whether you are having uncle auntie with you, or whether it's your family is a nuclear type of a family where you, your father, your mother, your sister or your sibling or your brother, you are living together. So this type of family where parents and their children only live, this called as a nuclear family. Next is a joint or extended family. Joint family or extended family. The family in which many members such as grandparents, parents, children, auntie, uncle, cousin are all living together is called as a joint or extended family. The name itself suggests that the joint or extended family, which includes many family members or all the family members, they are living together. People who are related to our mother are our maternal relatives, while as the people who are related to father are our paternal relatives. People who are related to our father are paternal relatives and mother are the maternal relatives. This is a big jointed family, correct? Where you can see grandparents, uncle, auntie, cousin, brother, sister, they are all living together and form a big giant family. Here again, a different very cute picture of a family member. Can you identify which is your family, whether it is a jointed or a nuclear one? If you are living in a joint family, you are a luckiest child, where you are getting this kind of a fun, eating together, learning together, playing together, fighting together, everything you are enjoying together with your cousin, brothers, sisters. But if we consider that it is also the home, world is our home, correct? World is our home, which is our biggest family. We are living in a country where we are living with the different languages, different people have different cultures, different eating habits, different festivals celebrated, different religions, different cultures, but still we are together, we are having a brotherhood nature. So world or India or any place you are living there, it's a basic or it's your first family. World is the biggest family. Now if you know that, if you see this person, it's you know that the person with the man with the 39, this is called the biggest family, who's having 39 wives, 94 children and 33 grandchildren in the Mizoram. It's a India's biggest family. It is considered as a India's biggest family, which is not only biggest in India, it is the biggest family of the world. Now the last one is considering a single parent family. Sometimes children may live with the single parent, either with the mother or with the father, because of certain reasons. In case some children may also have lost both their parents when they were young, because of the, in case of unnatural death or natural death or separation of parents, the children they were at very young age. What they do, many of them live together in orphanages or large homes. At times people adopt, that is care for children born to somebody else. Okay, so sometimes children may live with a single parent because of the separation of parents, because of the unnatural death or accidental death. So the children is living with either father or mother. So that kind of a family where mother or a father look after the baby, the children, it is said to be the single parent family. Like this lady is having without husband, but she is handling the children. Here also this is such kind of it's just imaginary photographs I have added here, but you can consider the one either mother or person, they look after the children and said to be the single parent family. Here the man is looking after the children, single parent family. Okay, so because of the loss of the parents, the children, those who don't have anybody to look after to them, so they move to the orphanages where the people adopt them or they take care of their all that basic needs and fulfill their basic needs. So they are going to the children's orphanages. Now we learn in this chapter about the family members: joint family, extended family, nuclear family and a single parent family. This is a family tree. If we consider the family tree, our family tree is made with the elderly people of the family to the younger members of the family, from the grandparents to parents to uncle aunts to cousin brother sister. This is the family tree. Okay students, not only the family members teaches us how to be a good person in our life, they teach us the different ethics, the different morals, like honesty, making friends, sharing, different things we are learning in our jointed family, in our family members teaches us all of the things. So I hope you understood this chapter, which is very easy. If you not understood the chapter, just go through the video for 2 to 3 times, you will get to know the things. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you so much student. Have a nice day.